Yo, what up, YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys. I'm not going to make this video too long. We'll try to do this as fast as possible, just giving you guys a little fast, a little update. I've been telling you guys I've been needing a new camera. Y'all know I just purchased the new camera, which was the Lumix G7. I basically do that for my live streams. I originally was going to do it for my unboxings. I might pick up another G7 for over the top because I currently don't like using my Lumix. What is it? The DZ 400, 700. I don't even remember the model number. It's been that long. But it's a digital camera. It does have autofocus, but sometimes the autofocus don't work like how I want to. With this one, at least I can buy a kit lens or a lens with autofocus on it and be able to do it. I do like the fact that I can zoom in and zoom out just by turning the lens and stuff like that to be able to zoom in and zoom out, things like that. With this one, I can control it by my mobile app, iPad, Android, any type of tablet, connected via Wi-Fi. Same thing with the G7, works with Wi-Fi, but for some reason, every time I try to connect it via wireless on my G7, it just won't keep a signal. I don't know why it keeps dropping signals with that, but I don't know if it's a defect or what it may be. I might have to look into it and see about it if it does drop or whatever like that. But I do love using my G7. So basically, this video is basically saying that I will be buying the DJI Pocket 3. Now, I'm supposed to actually be getting the Pocket 3 from DJI. They're supposed to be sending that out to me. But the only thing is that I literally can't wait. I got some projects that I got coming up, and I literally can't wait for them to send it to me. So I'm going to be buying it out of my pocket. So I will be buying it this Thursday. For Christmas and stuff, I didn't buy myself nothing. I didn't get nothing. My entire family got everything. I did have products that were sent out to me with different companies. You probably seen unboxings and stuff like that. But yeah, I am going to be buying the DJI Pocket 3. Like I said, I can't wait for them to send it out to me. I was going to buy a Pocket, Action 5 Pro. I literally can't even wait for that. I can't wait for literally no products to be sent out to me. I need a new camera for the stuff that I need. I need a 4K 60 camera. I don't like using my phone. I don't like using my Android phone, which is my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, which is old. It still has a good camera, but the only problem I don't like about it is just with the autofocus. It doesn't autofocus like the way how I want to. And I noticed that the iPhone quality is a little bit better than that one. That Note 20 that I used that Note 20 for years because it had good quality, especially in high lit locations with a lot of light. It looked very good, no noise, no nothing like that. But over the years, I noticed with my iPhone, even though iPhones come out with new phones and stuff like that, the cameras get better, even with Galaxy phones. It's just when it comes towards low light, anything that's dealing with low light, with not a light, and you got it on auto. Now you're able to do it with Black Magic on the iPhones now that you can actually, change a lot of the stuff on it. But I was using my Galaxy phone for the longest with a lot of my video recordings. When I was doing the unboxings, I was basically using my iPhone and stuff like that. But now to the fact, like right now, I'm using my Action 4 right now to do this recording. Normally, I would do my iPhone, or I would just record using my Lumix G7 and do the recording. But the only problem I hate about it is because I don't like having the microphone in front of me half of the times. Then when I move around left and right, it kind of cuts off. Then I got to go through settings, and a lot of times that the mixer doesn't pick up or the computer might act up. Sorry for my hand, it's still healing. So if y'all don't know, I got a DJI Mic Mini on my which I have this open right now, so you're probably hearing extra noise and stuff come out of it. Actually, this one is not even connected towards the camera. It's just this one that's right here. But yeah, I am using the DJI Mic Minis right here. Right there. So you can see that right there. And yeah, that's basically, I just want to let you guys know. I will be using the the Pocket 3 for unboxings for now on. So I won't be using this camera. I don't like using this camera basically at all, because the simple fact is when I use this camera right here and I do unboxings, this one only records in 4K 30. Then I get a lot of ghosting, and I don't like that. I like to record in 4K 60. And if I want to drop it down, I like to drop it down to at least 4K 48 frames per second. It looks better instead of 30 frames or 24. That 48 frames just looks good, especially when I'm doing streams and stuff like that. It just, the motion just looks good towards it. But yeah, like I said, I am going to be buying the Pocket 3. I do like the autofocus, the product focus on it, so I can put the products that I need in front of the camera to get the autofocus, and plus I'll be able to get some bokeh. My G7, I can get the same thing, but I got to buy a couple of extra things with it. I don't really want to spend all that extra money on lenses just for that. I do want to buy a new camera, but the Pocket 3 is going to be my new camera for everything, unboxings, the talking headshots, all that stuff like that. So I just want to let you guys know that I will be picking it up. I will be doing an unboxing on the, I think this Thursday or this Friday, depending if Best Buy has have it in stock. I was going to go to Costco's and get it, but Costco's is sold out. So yeah, I'm going to have to just get it from Best Buy and do it like that. Plus, I get a discount anyway because I have a membership with them and all that. So, guys, just want to let you guys know what I'm going to be doing, my unboxings for 2025. And I'm going to catch you guys later. It's your boy, Daddy Easy, and I'll catch you guys next year. Peace. I'll catch you guys later. One.